Hello everyone, this is Flora from Cutting-CHM Machinery. Today I will show you our high-end synchronized fly paper sheeter. This powerful machine is specially engineered to handle thick paper ranging from 150 to 1000. What sets it apart? Its precision cutting ensures no paper wool or light spots, meaning the finished sheets are perfect for the printing press. You will enjoy the more economic, comfortable working experience with its elevated operating platform, and paper delivery height. Now, let's take a closer look at these four key parts. First, the part unwinding and edge guide part ensures smooth and precise unwinding of the paper roll. Next, we have the cutting part, where the magic happens. The precision blade through the paper with unwavering accuracy, giving you the perfect sheets every time. We are moving on to finally, the paper receiving part, where the finished sheets are neatly stacked. It's ready for the next step in the production process.